I particularly love this one. So this was just the bottom of a plastic cup. So instead of using the end of roll, I used a plastic cup. So you just putting it on like I did, sliding it, lifting it up. What interesting results. I've just got such a good idea, well I feel is, for this using the lip of another bigger thing like this. Anyway, it's an idea or a concept, whatever you call it, and it will be coming up. But I love this technique mixed with what I'm about to do now with my balloon. You know, I'm such a lover of the balloon art. But look at the depth that that creates in those little cylinders. It's fabulous, really. I just had definite art therapy, this, or AMSSSR, whatever you call it. Should put the music to it that gives you the tingles. But love that, doing that effect, and then adding my balloon. Where am I going here? I missed out my balloon with it, didn't I? I'm pretty sure. Oh, actually, I think I add the balloon to this one now. So they... Oh, no, I used the cup again. I thought I'd used the balloon. Oh, silly Gilly. As you know, I'm doing a voiceover, so I thought it was the balloon I used over it, but it was actually the cup in swirls. So here it is with the, I think that one was, yeah, the masking tape bottom, but yeah, just, and then you go back to the cup again. So I think I'm repeating here what I've already done. But my next short video coming up is trying it on a green background. Well, not this actual style. You'll see I use a plastic bag for a floral effect, which I must explore a little bit further in another video coming up. So I'm just hoping that you enjoy these crazy antics of mine.